Number 4 because 1 and 2 are bad and 3 is good. So number 4. Here we go.
What did you get for number 3?
Number 3 was put the positive. Very good.
Good sparking?
Yes, good
okay.
spark, strong spark,
Okay.
long spark, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we're testing for number. Now we're testing for continuity for number 3 to see how well it is. Good. We have positive. So I'm sorry, that's number 4. Number 4 is positive. Good. So we got 2 bad ones and 2 good ones. I would say that does not meet. Airworthiness standards. Probably.
No, it doesn't.
Especially when you can see the wiring, exposed. So I would say we'd have to replace number 1 and number 2 altogether. It wouldn't hurt to even replace number.
You don't replace them individually. You replace them as a set.
Oh, well then you replace all of them.
Yeah. You're gonna open it?
Okay. So to make it airworthy, we'd have to put some new ones on, retest them, and call it a day. Are you happy with that, Brian?
Yeah, I hate when things don't work.
Should probably the shortest paper we've ever written in our life.
It's like challenge.